Today, we're diving into the topic tartar and how to prevent it naturally. Tartar doesn't just affect your smile, it's a hard, calcified buildup that can damage your gums, erode enamel, and lead to tooth decay if left untreated. But what if you could reduce it naturally, right at home, using simple remedies that support overall tooth health? The key lies in prevention, consistency, and nature's power. Start with baking soda. Its mild abrasiveness helps scrub away plaque before it hardens into tartar. Mix a small amount with water to form a paste and brush gently twice a week. It helps neutralize acids in your mouth while whitening your teeth naturally. Next, add oil pulling to your routine. Swishing coconut oil around in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily can help pull toxins, reduce harmful bacteria, and loosen debris on your teeth. Coconut oil also has antibacterial properties that support gum health. Hydrogen peroxide is another natural aid. A mild solution, diluted with equal parts water, can be used as a mouth rinse. It helps disinfect, brighten teeth, and break down tartar buildup. But don't overuse it. Limit to once or twice a week to protect your enamel. Don't overlook your diet. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes, stimulating saliva and helping to clean tooth surfaces while you chew. Leafy greens rich in calcium and folate strengthen enamel and gums. Add in herbs like neem and clove. Brushing with neem powder or using clove oil can reduce inflammation, kill bacteria, and support overall oral health. And of course, the foundation of it all, daily brushing with a soft bristled brush, flossing to remove hidden debris, and drinking plenty of water to rinse your mouth throughout the day. These natural steps won't dissolve tartar overnight, but with consistency, they can help prevent buildup, reduce what's already there, and create a cleaner, healthier mouth. Because when you care for your teeth with the help of nature, you're not just removing tartar. You're protecting your smile for life. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.